I've always had a very good experience at Al-Mahdi. This is not the first time I've been having.
Everything has been fantastic, very welcoming, very warming, very welcoming to all different perspectives. The papers have been fantastic.
So it's been intellectually very stimulating, and I have to say, it just makes me very happy to see that happening.
The kind of workshop format where we're all together all the time and there's a small number of us is just really productive intellectually, because you're learning from each other and you're starting to see connections.
Gathering scholars together to speak on very important issues, sensitive issues, in such a collaborative and collegial way. It's really a wonderful model for others, and I hope we all are able to learn from this thoughtfulness and openness and supportive academic and collegial environment.
I think there's been such thoughtfulness and care to construct a space to create a space where there's real learning and really rigorous intellectual discussion, but that's also really warm and welcoming.
Yeah, and I think it's that kind of intellectual open exchange is a very important and a fruitful one that we should all embrace.